something I want to smash hard. Not sorry. But I am a grown-ass woman and I have no need to spend $50 on 9 shadows. That doesn't even look like something I'd be able to use. Like, that just looks like something that's really going to be complicated to put my brush into. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be going down the rabbit hole of Trendmood's Instagram account, and I've talked about Trendmood before, but if you are unfamiliar, Trendmood is like the guru of knowing things that are coming out, things that are out, can get you discount codes. It's insane, and it is, you could spend hours on it. It's like Pinterest. You could spend hours on her account. So I'll be linking her below because she has inspired so many of my videos. But I'm going to be going down the rabbit hole with her again today, but talking about smash or pass. What I'm going to be pretty much telling you is, do I really think a product is going to be amazing and I maybe want it? Or am I just going to pass on it because I have something like it, it's just not my style, I don't support the brand, whatever it is. Also, I think this is gonna help because my husband and I every February do Frugal February. That's where we kind of limit our spending that's just excessive. I mean, I've talked on my channel a lot about all the makeup I have, so clearly I am not in want of makeup. Well, reword that. I'm not in need of makeup. I always want makeup. But I thought this would be a great way to help me to get through Frugal February and not overindulge when it's not necessary. Also, quick note, if you like this eye look I've got going today, it is like a purple shimmer warm crease look. I did a lot of this with the Jekyll Hill palette and just a topper from Urban Decay. So if you're interested in that, there will be a very short fast forward tutorial at the very end of this video. If you are new to my channel, I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all of the fun, loud, weird, unique videos I put out every week. Okay, this is always so hard for me, so I have them pulled up here on my phone, so if I'm looking down, I am just salivating over everything she posts. So let's get in a Frugal February mindset and decide, what do we want to smash and what do we want to pass? Okay, so one of the first things I see here is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lovesick collection, and I believe this is where we really talk about the blood sugar palette. This is something he's been hyping up on his channel. Again, I don't get into drama of specific YouTubers and people, so I know that there is a past with him. I'm just looking at the products itself. This is not about the person behind it. I can tell you, I will not be getting the blood sugar. I'm gonna pass on that. This is a $52 palette. For sure, that's not helping me with Frugal February in the least, because $52, my gosh, I could get so much ColourPop with that. Yes, I'm comparing it to ColourPop again. I just can't. I just don't think I can. And I have a lot of those red shades that I think that's really what's kind of resonating with that palette, is all of those red warm hues. And you guys know I love a warm hue. Totally do. I just think I have a lot of those, honestly, with my ColourPop collections. And I think it's beautiful, and I know that the packaging is gorgeous, but I just got to pass on that one. Oh, okay, so there is now a Ofra Cosmetics. Oh, and she's got a code. Damn, when she has a code, it's even harder. Okay, so there is an Ofra Cosmetics limited edition for Valentine's Day highlighter palette. And where's it at? You guys know I love, love, love my Rodeo Drive that we got from BoxyCharm. So I've really been wanting to invest more into these because I'm even wearing it today. I love it. This is $35 for 3 different shades. That is a good investment, I think. I think that is, ooh, something, oh, and it's limited edition. Dang. I was even like, maybe I could get this after February, but nah. I don't know. Either way, even if I don't end up getting it, for me, that's a huge smash. Like, I think those are amazing formula. I think that the shades look beautiful. What shades are these? And a new shade. So there's Rodeo. Oh, so it already has Rodeo Drive in it. Makes it a little bit easier for me to not technically buy it, but I still think it's a smash. It has Rodeo Drive, Blissful, and a new shade called Pillow Talk. That is beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Oh, ColourPop. Talk to me, ColourPop. 5 new Supernova shadows. Lucky Penny, Prelude, Over Again, From the Valley, Now or Never. Oh, I don't have any of the Supernova shadows, and I think they're just like $7. So I do think that's a huge smash for me and something I would even invest in without, I need to stay married, but you know, on the sly, maybe even in Frugal February, but even if it's outside of Frugal February, that's something I want to smash hard. Not sorry. Ooh. Okay, so what is this Unicorn Tears Iridescent Mystical Bronzer from Too Faced for $30? It's a bronzer and a highlighter. Is this it? No, that doesn't even look like something I'd be able to use. Like, that just looks like something that's really going to be complicated to put my brush into, apply to my face, try not to get the other. It looks very shimmery too. Oh, the swatches look really shimmery. Ooh, see, when I see that, I think music festival, I think Coachella, I think, you know, somewhere you would want to constantly be shining like the sun, and that's not an everyday look for me. So during Frugal February, it is so easy for me to be like, pass. Oh shit, I didn't mean to like that. No, unlike that. Unlike that. I keep liking it. What's up, Kim K Fragrance? Alright, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw that Kim was sending out to her enemies, frenemies, besties, her line of the 3 new Valentine's Day hearts that are her fragrance in like these big chocolate hearts, I just wanted the chocolate. I mean, I'm sure the fragrance is good too, but I'm so particular about fragrance. I think that's such a personal thing that I know that that's going to be a pass for me personally, just because I don't need it. But I really wanted one of those chocolates. Did you guys see that, where like the celebrities would have to get a mallet that came with it to smash the chocolate to open it to get to the Valentine? I mean, it's really cute marketing packaging, not gonna lie. I mean, her marketing team is on point. But no thank you. See, I have never had a KL polish. You guys know I love Kathleen Lights here on YouTube. She will always be a smash for me, and I still need to try some of her polishes. This one that she just has coming out, it's a limited edition, and it's das expensive. Oh, and that's her tagline. That's like her phrase for her channel. So, that's a smash. Ooh, okay, so let's talk about the box of crayons palette that all of the larger YouTubers have either received or they went out and got. I don't know, but I think it looks kind of cool, but at the same time, when am I gonna reach for that? I'm not gonna reach for that on a daily basis, so it's kind of easy for me right now to say pass, because I loved crayons. I just loved the creativity of them, and I know this is supposed to reflect the creativity that you could have on your face, and I'm all about that, but I don't really think, I think I'd forget about that palette after a while because it has so many bold shades that you'll have to pair it with something else all the time, so I'm just pass. Alright, let's just talk about it. What's up, Kylie, and your, what is it, Blue Honey palette? Yeah, Blue Honey palette. It includes 9 matte shades and shimmer shades. Okay, so it's $38, but anytime I have seen a YouTuber review this palette, they always say it ends up being more like $50 because she's an e-commerce brand, so everything's online, there is shipping, there is handling, and it ends up being $50 for a palette with 9 shades. What? What do you mean? Like, I could, for $50, I could go and buy a high-end, you know, like Too Faced palette. I could get one of the chocolate bar palettes. I could get... what? That to me is too much. I know you're paying for the name of Kylie, but I am a grown-ass woman and I have no need to spend $50 on 9 shadows just because it's trendy because of Kylie Jenner and her tween army of lip injections. I can't, that was shady. I'm sorry, but that's what that means to me. It's like I'm paying for your name. It's like putting my name on something and overjacking it. Like, there's no reason. No. I gotta pass for that. And I have seen people use this palette, and as fun as it looks, I have a lot of these shades, like so much of these, oh. Does anybody notice how similar this is to the Jaclyn Hill palette? I was about to say this top right corner over here looks a lot like Pukey and one of the other shades she has. What shade does that look like? Hold on. Creamsicle looks super duper exact same to her top right shade there. And then she's got that green shade. Doesn't look too different from Jada. Maybe it's a more hunter green than this, but like all of those shades I have right here. Why would I get 9 shades when I could have this for 30? I think this was like $38, but I don't understand. Do you understand? I don't understand. Like, this has so much more. This is far more inclusive than 9 shades. So, what? Guys, I could go down the rabbit hole even further. I mean, I'm just like, you could just keep scrolling for days. with all of the things that she knows about makeup, the hype she knows before products come out, the sneak peeks. She has the down low on all makeup. So if you want to go down that rabbit hole, again, I will link her down below. And if you want to see this eye look, stay tuned. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all the fun, loud, weird, unique videos I put out every week. Bye, friends.